Hi boys and girls, it's Shane. I'm sneaking up on Casey. He's in here working. Let's see how the kitchen's turning out. The one we did the epoxy counters on last week, the less than $300 kitchen remodel. I wonder what it's going to be like. Less than $300 on a kitchen. I wonder how it's going to look. Where are you? Ha ha! I got you on camera. Oh, you're wearing your fancy glasses. No, not live. Ah, dude, these epoxy counters look great. Whoever helped you with them, he must be an amazing guy. Everybody should follow. I'm going to tag Casey in this too, but he's been working hard on this. I like the color of your cabinets, and you said you did soft close hinges?
Yeah.
How much are you total in on this kitchen, if you had to guess? I like that light fixture. Obviously, you're going to have to paint around it, but not bad.
$250?
$250. So less than $300 to take it from what it was if you didn't see the befores. I'll try to tag that in, but watch that. Ah, less than $250. That's an awesome job. That is so much better than it looked before. You got that from the bin store for $10, you said?
Yeah, $10.
$10?
Cool.
Cool. When we were live, we did this actually live. We let everybody vote on colors, and people said they wanted purple, and he was terrified of me putting purple in it. I told him the purple was going to be his favorite part. Was I right?
You were right. Everyone loves it too.
Yeah, I like the little bits of purple. So this is your next major thing we got to figure out. How are we going to make this not look bad here with the single light thing? I think that's got to go. The mirror's off to the side. That needs to be there. What's your plan? What do you got? Or should we just let people tell us some ideas in the comments?
I would like to hear what they say, but
Yeah.
since this is inset, if I took it out, I'd have to patch it, which ain't a big deal.
Patching that wouldn't be too bad. You got the shower on the other side of it, so
I wouldn't be nothing to move it.
yeah, we could do an epoxy pour over this. That would be a possibility. Maybe raise the light up a little bit. Anyway, that would help to provide a little bit more light into the shower. And I'd also think we need to find you another bin store light for in here. I think that would be a good idea.
I want one of these to be a new one of those, and I wanted to change this. So
I bet we can find them for $5 or $10 each. How much do you think it's going to cost him to make this bathroom into something really cool looking? Baby birds?
Yeah, I'm gonna let them fly off before I evict them.
Oh my gosh, that thing's huge. That's what she said. Little birds, come on, chirp for me. Chirp. People sometimes wonder why they have expensive utility bills. This is just literally some cardboard spread out. That's not insulation. You just don't know what you're going to find in an older house. And this is easy to fix. This won't cost much to spray some cellulose up here. And it's going to make this house way better. So you've got a major problem with this house you need to fix, dude, and you don't understand it yet, so we're going to explain this right now.
Okay.
So what's wrong with this? Everybody, before he answers, tell me, what is wrong with this porch? This is the porch, the main entrance to the house. There's something wrong up here. Do you know what it is, Casey? How long have you been following me? Do you know what's wrong? You're puzzled. You don't know, do you?
I don't know.
Okay, so in the southern United States, we have something called boo hags. They are creatures that will come into your house while you're sleeping. They will steal your skin and go gallivanting around town wearing your skin. The color haint blue was painted on the tops of porches all over the southern United States to protect your house from boo hags. They would get confused and think it's the sky, and they wouldn't be able to go into the house. They wouldn't realize they were going to the right place. So haint blue was the greatest sales ploy for a color paint possible. And it looks amazing, and you should paint your porches haint blue just in case boo hags come back. Because you laugh at this.
No,
but when we were kids, were bed bugs things? They were just made up stories that your parents were like, don't let the bed bugs bite. Yeah. But turned out they were real, right? Yeah. What happens when we find out boo hags are real and your porch isn't blue? Your porch isn't blue, and you're going to have a problem. So get some haint blue up here. Okay.